Today I am going to solve some numericals based on the laws of logarithms. One question is given as log of 360 is equal to 3 into log of 2 plus 2 into log of 3 plus log of 5. If I take the right hand side, means taking right hand side, we have 3 into log of 2 plus 2 into log of 3 plus log of 5. The first term is 3 into log of 2. We know that using laws of exponent, we have n into log of m is equal to log of m to the power n. Means n into log of m is equal to log of m to the power n. 3 into log of n means there is n is equal to 3 and m is equal to 2. We can write it as log of 2 to the power 3, means using law of quotient. Law of exponent, n into log of m is equal to log of m to the power n, log of 2 to the power 3 plus here n is equal to 2 and m is equal to 3. We can use law of exponent as log of 3 to the power 2 plus log of 5, and this is equal to log of 2 to the power 3 means 8 plus log of 3 square means 9 plus log of 5. We have three terms. First one is log of 8, second one is log of 9 plus log of 5. They are connected using connective plus. So we can use law of product. We know that log of m plus log of n is equal to log of m into n. So we can use law of product. We have log of 8 into 9 into 5, and this is equal to log of 8 5s of 40 into 9, and this is equal to log of 360, and this is the left hand side of the given question. Hence proved.
Start.
The next question, which is based on the laws of logarithm, is log of 75 divided by 16 minus 2 times log of 5 by 9 plus log of 32 upon 243 is equal to log of 2. Taking left hand side is equal to log of 75 upon 16 minus twice of log of 5 by 9 plus log of 32 upon 243. This is equal to log of 75 upon 16 is as a form of log of m by n, means law of quotient. We can write it using law of quotient as log of 75 minus log of 16. And the second one is 2 times log of m by n. This is a law of exponent, means n is equal to 2 and log of, suppose this is m, so 2 times log of m. 2 becomes the raise of m. Write it as log of 5 by 9 to the power 2 plus log of, this is log of m by n. Using law of quotient, we write as log of 32 minus log of 243, and this is equal to log of 75 minus log of 16 minus 5 square means a by b to the whole square is equal to, we know that a by b to the whole square is equal to a square upon b square. So log of 25 upon 81. Using law of quotient, we get log of 25 minus log of 81 plus log of 32 minus log of 243, and this is equal to log of 75 minus log of 16 minus log of 25, minus into plus, sorry, minus into minus become plus log of 81 plus log of 32 minus log of 243. Arrange the positive terms and negative terms separately. We get log of 75 plus log of 81 plus log of 32. And the second one is collect the negative terms. First one is minus log of 16, second one is log of 25, and third one is log of 243. And if I take minus as a common, we get log of 16 plus, there is a minus when we take minus as a common, becomes minus into minus plus log of 25, and negative log of 243 becomes positive, means plus log of 243. And this is equal to, using law of product, we get log of 75 into 81 into 32 minus, using law of product, we get log of 16 into 25 into 243. And this becomes log of m minus log of n, means law of quotient. We get log of 75 into 81 into 32 upon 16 into 25 into 243. And after simplification, 16 2 is 32, 25 3 is 75, and 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24. This is equal to log of 3 2 is 6, means 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24, 243 into 2 upon remaining number is 243 to the base e. 243 get cancelled, we have log of 2, and this is right hand side of the given question. So hence proved.